Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I am coming to you with a Zaful haul, and I basically just picked out like from the accessories section as well as like makeup and stuff like that. So you're not gonna see like any clothes. I did get a few bags. I have not opened anything, like it is literally in the packaging still. So let's begin. This is gonna be like an unboxing because I haven't seen anything.
Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
So I'm gonna start with this because I could tell this is a purse. Okay, so ooh, this is cute. This is the purse and it's like tribal. Let me just open it and see. Okay, so you just press these together and it opens. It has a strap, a long strap, and it has like, well, it's not really long. Yeah, I can't even wear this as a crossbody. This is like just right here on the shoulder because this is super short, the straps, like, and it's not adjustable. So that's what it looks like. The leather feels pretty good. Of course, it's faux leather. It's not very spacious, but it has enough room to put more than my Chanel bag. So that's a win right there. But this is a bag I would definitely wear like in the spring or the summer because it has like those pops of color. I think this would be really cute. So the next thing I got is this scarf. It's basically 50 Shades of Grey. Oh, but it feels so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm very impressed by the quality of this. This feels so soft. Like, I really thought this was gonna be like more hard for some reason, but this is really soft. This feels like great quality. But I thought this scarf was so pretty. I mean, it's on the basic side, but I think this will look really cute with like an overcoat. So yeah, I really like this. I think I just have one more bag. Okay, and it comes with a dust bag. And oh, this is freaking beautiful. Okay, I wasn't expecting this either. I really don't even remember anything that I ordered because I placed my order probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I really don't remember anything I ordered at all. So it's almost like I'm like seeing the stuff for a first time. So this is the bag, and I think this bag is absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, this bag is beautiful. And if y'all could feel this, like the quality of this bag is very nice. This is freaking gorgeous. I'm sorry, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is what the back of the bag looks like. And I don't know how to open it, so oh, okay, like that. All right, so when you go inside, it has long straps, and this one does have an adjustable belt on it, so I guess you can make it longer or shorter, and it's pretty spacious on the inside. Oh, this is so cute. It comes with a bag charm. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cute on the bag. I don't know, I think I'll put it right here. Okay, so it has like a little compartment right here as well as a zipper right here, and it zips as well, so it could be secure. And basically, oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this bag, y'all. I could definitely see myself wearing this like every single day. I might even wear this on my birthday because I love the bag that much. I have to pick something out still to wear because there was like issues with my outfit, but I almost want to center my outfit around this freaking bag because it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, the quality looks so good that I would never know it was from like a Chinese site. Like, I literally would have thought this was probably high-end or something like Aldo or Steve Madden, something, you know, a little bit more pricey. It is like really, really pretty. Okay, I spent enough time on that. Okay, so this is the last bag, and I believe this is just straight up accessories. The first thing I got is a case for my iPhone, and I'm definitely gonna do a whole entire video on cases for my iPhone. I just upgraded for my birthday to the 8 Plus, and I have so many phone cases that I ordered. So that's the first thing I got. So these are some sunglasses, and y'all know, like, I'm not one to wear a lot of glasses. I literally own one pair of glasses that I wear religiously, like, because they're my favorite. But I really have been eyeing these glasses for a very long time, and I seen it on the site, so I was like, I want to try it out. And I think these are so pretty, and they look expensive. They look designer, so let's just see how this look on me. It's alright. I mean, it's not like, I don't know, it's okay. I guess it would just depend on the outfit and you know, how my hair is, but I don't really like it with this hair per se. But the glasses are fire. Like, these are so pretty. So the next thing inside of here, I don't even know what this is, but I see like zodiac signs on it. I really don't know what this is. I don't remember. Okay, so I'm a Capricorn, so this says Capricornius, and I'm about to open it to see what this is. Oh, these are some makeup brushes, and basically it is magnetic. This is basically a brush set. The hairs on this brush set are so pretty. Like, I've never seen a brush set with this color gray, and it's basically magnetic, so it sticks to the bottom of the tray. Then I got this grip for my phone. I have not always wanted one. I literally just said to myself, you know what, I want one. So it is basically lips, and I guess it will look cute on this marble phone case. Then I got this pair of hoops. Okay, and they're pretty small. I honestly thought they would be a little bigger because I like big hoops, but I don't mind having a little versatility in my, you know, accessories. So this is the size of the hoops, and I think this is a cute size, right? I mean, it's small, but I mean, it's cute. And then I got this bracelet, which is looking a little small. So it has that marble right here. It's like two triangles, and then it has the marble right there. So really quick, I'm gonna just see if it fits. Okay, so it's kind of like adjustable. So you can like pull it open. Yeah, it fits. It definitely fits. So that's what it looks like. It's very, very simple because I'm kind of into like the more simple pieces right now. And I've always wanted this. I've seen it a few times on a few different sites. I think it's really cute. And if I want to cross it like to the sides, I could do that as well. But yeah, I like that this is adjustable, and you can basically adjust it to look how you want on your wrist. And I can see I only have one more thing, and it is this set of makeup brushes. I told y'all, like, I'm really like into rose gold and marble and fur right now. Like, those are my favorite things. So it is a whole entire set of marble brushes, and it came with this pretty yellow bag. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, the brushes are basically rose gold and marble. Two of my favorite things with hair, so it's kind of like rose gold, marble, and fur. But yeah, this is the set, and this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. I'm really quick, I'm gonna take it out of the bag so you can see what it looks like up close. Here's, once again, it's not like the softest hair I've ever felt, but they are soft. So these are the brushes, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous, like just beautiful. And they look really good quality. I'm very, very impressed. And look at the bottom, has that, I don't know if it's rose gold. Yeah, and the bottom has that rose gold as well. It's very, very pretty. These brushes are gorgeous. So I cannot wait to use them. Okay, so this was my first purchase, and I would definitely say that I am impressed. There was nothing that I thought looked really cheap or I did not like per se. Everything looked exactly how it looked on the site. So I am very, very impressed. And usually when I place my orders with these Chinese companies, like when I get the stuff, I don't like it. Everything looks cheap, but everything here was good quality, and it actually looks like it did on the site. The bag, the first bag that I showed, that one I just wish the strap was longer, but other than that, I don't have any issues with anything. I'm actually gonna use every single thing that I got. So I am so happy that I tried this out, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm gonna have the links to Zaful as well as every single item that I showed in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.